Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Safina Dunaja binti Muhammad Kunato, and I will start the presentation today with the introduction. I will start the definitions of benefits and services. Benefits can be defined as any indirect kind of pay that aim to enhance the quality of the worker's professional and also the personal life. They have two categories of benefits, which are first, compulsory. It is legally required in Malaysia, and secondly, non-compulsory benefits. Meanwhile, employers' services can be defined as anything that a business thinks it is necessary to provide as a benefits to its employees.
Company provide benefit and service to their employee. It brings a lot of importance to the employee and the employer. The first importance of benefit and service is to improve employee work satisfaction. A good benefit package such as life insurance and retirement benefits can lead to higher job satisfaction and retention rates because they are happy to be in their job and motivated to perform their best work in the company. The next important of benefit and service is to meet employee health and security requirements. Most companies offer some form of healthcare coverage such as vision insurance. This is to keep employee healthy and also can help pay medical expenses for themselves and their family. Other than that, a company should not limit employees' sick days because this practice causes employees to work sick, which could result in a contagious disease spreading, especially during this pandemic. This benefit is extremely important to employees as it allows them to take time off to recharge, and every company needs to know that healthier employees are more productive. One is to build trust and loyalty. If a company does not offer employee benefits such as life insurance, this will make them less likely to trust the top management of a company. This is because the employees only felt that the management did not care about them but was only concerned about gaining profits. For example, Sunway Group Management provide a lot of programs to ensure the well-being of their employees during this COVID-19 pandemic, such as a free health screening program for eligible employees. This can be shown that when a company offers employee benefits and service, it will more likely to attract and retain loyal employees. To increase productivity, a good benefit package can help employees focus and make them feel more secure about their personal life. This is due to benefit and service such as child care benefit can prevent them from worrying to afford their family well-being. For instance, there is a study. Employees have lost sleep due to worrying too much about adequate childcare. This will lead to a lack of focus and low productivity at work and can harm long-term performance and goals for the entire company.
Hi, my name is Umi Nazra binti Rosli, and I will continue to present about problems or benefit and services in Starbucks. Firstly, the employees face insufficient weekly rest due to understaffing. It is because Starbucks frontline staff face the burden of management's need to reduce retail labor expenses, which takes precedence over efforts to stabilize work hours, offer healthy schedules into their working circumstances. So, due to understaffing, the employees have insufficient rest and are vulnerable to sleep deprivation and tiredness. Besides that, they have difficulties in taking sick leave as well as in their first years, Starbucks partners do not receive paid sick leave. Secondly, Starbucks provides insufficient mental health benefits to its workers. We acknowledge that Starbucks provides benefits that are somewhat uncommon in fast food work, such as mental health coverage and more, but the mental health benefits are too insufficient and also too long to wait. This is because the handful of customers that they receive every day will berate them and may have a dramatic toll on their emotional well-being. Although Starbucks provide mental health benefits to the workers, they are still insufficient for the work. Lastly, Starbucks pays lower wages to its workers. This is because they have an understaffing problem, especially when they add smartphone orders, which cause the workflow of baristas. When a large number of mobile orders come at the same time, employees at some popular locations are forced to cope with bottlenecks. These make the workers unsatisfied because they got lower wages. Although in December 2016, Starbucks recorded same-store sales in America increased 6%, which contribute from 5 increase in sales and a 1 increase in customer visits. The workers claim they have not yet gotten a raise in 2017, and their wages are still too low as they want to be able to afford for rent and groceries.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aidin Sofia binti Ramli. So, let's continue recommendation, benefits and services. Based on the first problem, actually Starbucks should hire more employees or more partners to handle the day-to-day work according to a set schedule. Starbucks needs to spend more on labor in order to achieve sustainable profits because fewer employees can have a detrimental effect on long-term business. It can affect profits. If the workforce is large, the profits will be able to be more and can pay the workers' wages adequately. Schedules must be shifts that are not repeated within a day, must be in accordance with working hours in accordance with the Employees Act to give employees space. There is a weekly break. Based on the second problem, Starbucks should offer more than before, a variety of medical, dental, health coverage like insurance, disability, accidents and many more. Starbucks had boosted workers' mental health benefits and reduced remedial tasks. One initiative is centered on mental health. Employee assistance programs, which offer a short-term counseling to all employees, will be improved using employee and mental health expert feedback. Starbucks store managers will begin training in the second quarter based on mental health first aid, a program that educates lay people how to treat someone with a mental illness. It will also collaborate with organizations such as NGO to combat the stigma around mental health. Based on the third problem, Starbucks should raise the salary to the workers, and in addition to now having a way to order online, it makes the workers feel more busy handling the work. The shortage of workers is very bad in the organization. The Starbucks cafe really seeking out to form a union to address issues that include chronic understaffing. The salaries should be increased. The baristas who have worked for the company for at least 2 years will receive a raise of up to 5%. Employees with at least 5 years of experience may be eligible for a pay raise of up to 10%. The firm is anticipating a second pay raise for summer. The current average hourly wage also needs to be increased. In addition to raising compensation, it will offer referral bonus and hire recruiters. Baristas will benefit from the company's advance as well.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. I'm Rishazana binti Hamdan and I will explain to you about the background of company Starbucks. Starbucks was opened in 1971 by 3 local merchants to provide whole bean coffee. Howard Shaw was founded Starbucks after visiting the shop in 1981. Starbucks intends to be long-term leader in product innovation, market expansion and service excellence. Starbucks Corporation is a global coffee manufacturer, retailer and marketer with operation in over 100 countries. There are around 7,300 coffee shops in the US and approximately 3,000 in 34 countries, primarily in Japan, Canada, Thailand and Malaysia. Moving on to the Starbucks mission and vision. Starbucks corporate mission statement is one person, one cup, one neighborhood at a time. This statement summarizes the daily operation of the business, and Starbucks Coffee Corporate vision is to position Starbucks as the preeminent purveyor of the world's finest coffee while adhering to our unvarying ideas. The company accomplished these components of its vision statement as one of the world's largest coffee houses and coffee companies. Next is organization best practice of Starbucks. Starbucks offers numerous training programs to ensure that employees and its customers are aware of its values. Firstly, by providing effective leadership. The job requires exceptional customer service and participation in community events. By building organizational skills and going to lead the team by example and interacting and recognizing problems and taking action quickly to resolve them. Secondly, by career advancement. Working at Starbucks is unlikely any other job. Workers make a true connection with consumers. Employees will develop relationships with customers, and Starbucks also offer volunteer opportunities to assist out or give back to communities. Next, working at Starbucks provides health coverage. Starbucks offers values level of medical, dental and vision insurance as well as health care and family reimbursements, account and accident insurance, bringing out a package of benefit for employees including mental health support, right share choice and technological advancement. Besides, Starbucks' most important benefit is paid time off. Retail and non-retail partnership are qualified to receive vacation and sick time, whereas salaried partners get 2 vacation days per year. Also, with parental leave, parents for a newborn baby may be eligible for paid parental leave. Also reimburses qualified couple for adoption and surrogacy. Moreover, it includes structured training programs. In-store programs are designed to integrate employees in the Starbucks culture and prepare them for success. These programs are presented in the store and allow partners to lift skills and knowledge with the help of manager. Also, Starbucks provides employees beverages. Every manager has a monthly budget for entertaining family and friends. Also have a sale incentive program. As stated above, Starbucks Corporation views its employees as important components for its community-oriented mission because employees are critical to the business success. Each employee receives comprehensive health coverage and also tuition reimbursement. Starbucks is another corporation that places a premium on open communication. Starbucks feels it is critical to hire individuals with a social conscience and working experience in coffee shop and providing customer service. The company is well known for its ethical sourcing of coffee and its professional skills. That's all from me. Moving on to the next presenter.
Next is the outcome from the best practices. I will start with the 2 advantages and 2 disadvantages of having benefits and services. I will start with the advantages of having benefits and services. Firstly is benefits and services can improve the hiring and recruitment process, where the comprehensive benefits package may attract both of new hiring and also the current employees. It also can distinguish the company from its competitions. When people already notified with variety kind of benefit and services, it can easily attract people to apply for the vacancy. Where we can see the total number of Starbucks employees in 2020 is 3,400, up 0.87% in 2019. This statistic can be get from the Starbucks Report 2021. Next, we move to the second outcome of the best practices, which is it can contribute to the healthy and more productive employees. As we know, work environment can really create a stress among the employees, especially the frontline employees. According to the American Institute for Stress, workplace stress is considered as the one of the nation's top health concerns. However, Starbucks provides variety of the medical health coverage where it can show that Starbucks are really concerned about the employees' welfare. We can see Starbucks has the 65% employees turnover rate, which is considered lower than the industry average. Next, the third outcome from the best practices is it can impact on the work performance when it is not handled correctly. When the career development program are being conducted, employers need to handle more tasks. Not only that, when career advancement is being conducted, employers will be expected to be promoted. There are opportunities for the employers to be promoted, but it takes time. When the employers know it takes time to be promoted, they will feel dissatisfied and unhappy, and this will lead to the work performance. Where we can see from the American Customer Satisfaction Index in 2021, we can see in the 2015, the Customer Satisfaction Index dropped until 79%. Next is the fourth outcome from the best practices is the high cost. When the Starbucks want to conduct the training program, they need to provide the models and also need to hire the coaches for the training. Not only that, employers still receive the payment during the training. According to the Starbucks annual operating expenses in 2021, it being total that expenses is $24.189 billion, up 10.17% in 2020. This statistic can be get from the Starbucks operating expenses 2006 and until 2021.
In conclusion, our group learns that employee benefit and service are advantageous not only to the employee but also to the company. Providing the right benefit and service to the employees is essential to attracting and maintaining top employee for the company. In our point of view about Starbucks, which is one of the world's largest company, understand how human resource management practice and they apply it on their top management, especially in terms of benefit and service practice. With the philosophy employee first apply in the company, Starbucks, who are really concerned about their employee well-being, provide a lot of benefit and service. This can be shown that the way Starbucks manage its employee is commendable, even though there are some areas that need to improve.